I know this isn't a popular opinion at all to the whole tech community, but the Samsung S9, the flagship just released by Samsung, shouldn't have a headphone jack. That's right. Samsung is finally releasing the Samsung S9 to the public on March 16th, and it sadly still does have a headphone jack. Many other flagships now don't have a headphone jack anymore. The Google Pixel 2 XL, the iPhone X, they no longer have a headphone jack. Yet, Samsung still keeps the headphone jack, even still in 2018. Does that mean they're gonna still keep the headphone jack for the future? And that is a no. I know they're eventually going to remove the headphone jack. Wireless is the future. We're all moving to a wireless future in tech. Soon, we're actually gonna have wireless charging, not just like the pad charging we have right now. We're actually gonna have wireless charging from like a few feet. You just put your phone into the room and it starts to charge. That's the future. And to get to the future, we're gonna have to sacrifice in some places, and that's gonna have to be the headphone jack. And not only is that going to be the future, it's also some benefits to not having a headphone jack. First, you get to move to wireless, so you get to move all the companies. You're gonna have to force the companies to start innovating in the wireless field. Next, you also get to put in a bigger battery in there or other space for other components of the phone, so you get to add other features if you might want to do that. And you also add some more water resistance because it's one less point where water could come into the phone. I know the Samsung S8 is IP68 water resistance. I know that's better than the Pixel 2 or even the iPhone X, but still, it's one less place where water could come in and ruin your phone. You don't want that. Just remove the headphone jack. You're putting in there a bigger battery, you're pushing companies to innovate in the wireless field, and you're still getting kind of an improved water resistance. And on the phone, you still kind of get a headphone jack. I know you can't use the headphone jack for like when you're going in the car, you need to connect it to the car so you can listen to music. That's the aux cable, and that's what the headphone jack is fused for. But I know the USB-C, it kind of deals with the listening to music part of it, and that's where Samsung needs to remove the headphone jack to kind of innovate that part that I'm about to explain right now. Right now, it's been about a year and a half since Apple has completely removed the headphone jack in the iPhone 7. And ever since then, Apple has not brought back the headphone jack ever since they left it out in the iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus. And there's a reason why Apple removed the headphone jack. First, they released AirPods, which I absolutely love. I think they're an A+ product, and really no other wireless headset even comes close to the AirPods because of the portability and the truly wireless experience with the W1 chip. It's amazing. I love the product. If you have an iPhone or you're in the Apple ecosystem, then you should get AirPods because they're absolutely amazing. But still, if you have Android, you should consider AirPods too. But Apple released AirPods along with the iPhone 7, although it was delayed until December and kind of later into the year. They kind of released it along with the iPhone 7, and they provided other options along with the new phones without a headphone jack. So you got the adapter, you got the headphone jack to lightning cable adapter. And not only that, you get lightning headphones in the box. So you know the headphones I used to get with the headphone jack, you can now get them with Lightning. So still, if you relied on the Apple headphones in the box, you get them with the Lightning cable. And you still want to use other pairs of headsets with the headphone jack, you can still do that too with the adapter. Yes, I know the adapter is annoying. It's small, you could lose it easily. And if you're responsible, you could use all your older headsets to listen with your new headphone jack free phone. For me, I think it's great that Apple actually provided Lightning headphones in the box. I know the Google Pixel does not provide USB-C headphones in the box, and I'll get to that in just a second. This is where I'm leading up to it. But the Google Pixel 2 does not have headphones in the box. I think Google should put headphones in the box because who doesn't love headphones in the box? That's a little like appliance to your phone. I mean, just listen to music, it's not that hard. It's not that expensive to put in there. Come on, Google. But seriously, they don't have USB-C headphones in the box, and I think Samsung should do just that. USB-C for Android and Lightning for iPhones can act as the modern headphone jack until we truly get everyone to go into wireless. I'm already on the wireless bandwagon on the headphones, but still it's gonna take some time for wireless headphones to get cheaper, and then much more people, the mass amount of people, could get into wireless headphones, and we could all be in this amazing, truly wireless experience. But until we get there, USB-C and Lightning is gonna have to be the way we have to go. It's really not that hard, Samsung. I know you already put $100 worth of AKG headphones in the box. Why can't you just switch those from the headphone jack to USB-C? And I mean, you could keep the headphone jack for a couple years, but just make that quick little swipe change and make it into USB-C so people can realize you could still listen to music with USB-C. That would blow people's minds because many people, the general audience, does not know you can listen to music with USB-C. Samsung, I'm talking to you here. Just switch the inbox headphones from the headphone jack to USB-C, and then the general consumer will be prepared when you officially remove the headphone jack this time next year with the S10. Why can't companies just do that? Why can't companies think forward in removing the headphone jack? Because Samsung, you are going to remove the headphone jack eventually. It's just a matter of time. If people say that wireless is just too far away, why can't USB-C still be that stopgap until we get to the wireless future? Because I mean, we're going to eventually get there. Like I said, wireless charging, like truly wireless charging, it's going to be there. And truly wireless music experience, it's already there. It's a tad expensive for many people, but it's still there. And once we get it to a cheaper price, it's going to be for the mass market. It really disappoints me that the Samsung S9 and other Android flagships keep on with the headphone jack as a feature. It's not a feature. Just keep around your headphone jack to whatever adapter, USB-C or Lightning. Just keep in your wallet, and whenever that time comes up where you need to switch from headphone jack to USB-C, just bring that adapter out from your wallet and there you have it, and you will never lose it again. And if you put USB-C headphones in the box, that won't be an issue either, or just get wireless headphones. Not that hard. Samsung, OnePlus, and other Android companies still has the headphone jack as a feature, and is not a feature to have a headphone jack. People think it is, it's not. Wireless is the future, and companies are lagging behind on innovating the USB-C game or the wireless headphone game. They're just lagging behind those two industries by still keeping the headphone jack. I'd love to hear your opinion about Samsung keeping the headphone jack in the comment section below. And while you're doing that, make sure you like the video and hit that bell icon to stay notified whenever I post a video. And while you're doing those two little things, make sure you smash that subscribe button right here to stay informed. And I'll see you in the next one.